Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Captivating Studio. This is Neha, and today in this video I'm going to tell you the different ways you can wear the scarf. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe it, hit the bell icon for the further notifications. And yes guys, at the last I'm going to tell you that if you don't have mask, that how you can cover up yourself with the scarf. So please do watch my video till the end. Now let's move on to the video.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
If you don't have mask, then how to cover up your face? So let's see. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Stay safe and stay healthy. See you in the next video.